juiced up. We done finally got it all the way out the shop. I'm loving it, man. Let me know what y'all think finally out in the sunny skies. Like I said, we're not done. We still gotta put some rain. What up, YouTube, man? We back at it. Today we about to literally finish up the Roadglide. Yesterday we went and got as much work in as possible. We got all the paint set complete. Now we literally got to put the last finishing pieces on that joint so we can finally get that first ride in and get it back on the road. So man, stay tuned for that. Enter to win that joint. We almost sold out. We closer than close, man. We have the ability to be able to go live this weekend if possible. If not, we got to wait till next week. But if we could do it this week, let's do it, man. For real, that's what I'm on, what I'm trying to get with. So enter to win that joint, man. Let's sell that thing out and stay tuned for today's video, man. I think it's about to look so nice and clean on the road, man. I think it's about to be the neck breaker. So stay tuned, man. Y'all about to see it live here first, man. We gonna most certainly get some content with that GoPro in. So stay tuned and enjoy the video, man. We sliding, not hiding, man. We working. You already know what's going on. We getting it in. I already know my shop is famous for dying with the batteries. So we literally about to head to pick up a new battery for the Glide right now, man. I'll be trying to charge them as much as I could, but almost everything in here dies out and gets super, super dead. So about to put a fresh battery so we don't gotta worry about nothing. We're gonna head to the shop, throw that in there, load it up on the truck, go to the house, wash it up, go hit Harley, grab this last final piece and part, take that part to Antonio. From there, we're gonna go back to the house, offload, and get some content. So stay tuned. We got an interesting day today, man. It's all about the workout. I got faith. I hope y'all do too, man. So stay tuned. We getting it in. Sir, man, we done finally made it in the shop, man. We left off work on this joint yesterday. Y'all see how we finished the whole front clip and whatnot. We got the front fender on there, along with the inner and outer fairing, the gas tank, everything on here complete. The bags, everything is pretty much good to go. We gotta just throw that good hot battery we just got over there inside the bike, fire it up, and go from there. Only thing that I know I really have to do right now is put a, I need to get a clamp right there for that oil line. That's pretty much it. I'm gonna go to Harley once I get it on the truck and load it up, finish putting everything that I need. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got this thing coming together, man. Y'all see it here first. This thing is looking good like no other. Make sure y'all enter to win this joint, man. We almost sold out, but I'm gonna let y'all get to it while I'm getting to it so we can put in that work, make it happen. But yeah, we about to finish loading it up and cleaning the shop up real fast, so stay tuned, man. Y'all see it. Yes, sir, man. Y'all see it. HD. What you want to do? Yes, sir. Woo. Y'all see it. We got the lights in this joint. Let's make sure we got headlights. Yes, sir. And we got tail lights, man. Y'all see it. Let's give it a start up. Low fuel detected. Try that fuel pump. Still got no start. Gotta see why we got no start. For a minute, I thought I just messed up something. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, because it would not start. Everything will power up, but the fuel wouldn't cut on, and then it wouldn't be able to crank. So I was gonna pop the whole outer fairing off and go over everything, but you gotta, I've been through this so many times, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I usually go crazy and lose my mind, get to calling everybody, but now it's like, I've been through it so much, you gotta just take your time, backtrack your steps, know what you did touch and what you did not touch, and that makes everything so much simpler. So with that being said, literally, I'm gonna flip the camera and show y'all. So basically, I had to pop that the gauges off. I literally had the extension mixed with both side handle controls instead of just one side. So I had to just swap the wires out. Now we got that, we in the game. I already tried it, but I didn't cut it on, so I know it's good now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the gauges back on. We're gonna get that first startup for y'all real quick, but stay tuned, man. We almost up out of the shop and onto the truck, man. So y'all know what's going on after that. We to the wash and we on our way. We gotta definitely stop by the upholstery shop to see what's going on with him. But stay tuned, man. We will be on our way real soon. Y'all see what's going on. We working. All right, man. So we literally just finally went ahead and fixed that situation with the fuel. We went ahead and put our clamp at the bottom so no oil leaks out. Let's try to get this thing a startup, man. Let's hope for the best. Yes, sir. Got it in neutral. Battery charge. Fuel pump on. Let's see what she does. Sound like the timing is off now. Spark plug wires. I'm gonna change that out and then we're about to give it a start. It's trials and tribulations when you do the frame off, but we're gonna make sure we got it figured out. And switch the spark plugs around down there. Let's try it again. Fuel pump. We got two things. They could be the gas, because it is literally super low, or it could be something else. So we gonna see, because it's trying really bad. Everything is plugged up. Everything is what it's supposed to be. So we're gonna hope for the best and try to see right now, man. I feel like it should be enough gas in this joint though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We about to see right now though. This thing is looking juiced up. We done finally got it all the way out the shop. I'm loving it, man. Let me know what y'all think finally out in the sunny skies. Like I said, we not done. We still gotta put some rims on this joint. But y'all see it, man. This thing is definitely looking good. definitely looking good, man. Don't get no better than that. Yes, sir. This thing is juiced up. The stickers did the job. Got the Harley on there. Yes, sir. We gotta put the blinkers on that joint. We looking good though, man. I'm hyped up. This thing is definitely looking good. Let me know what y'all think in the comments below, man. Gotta just get that seat with the feet. We gonna be in the game, man. Y'all see it. We gonna be in the game. Yes, sir. And that sun gonna be burning up, but y'all see the real definition of that color than being inside the shop. But let's try to see if it's the fuel, since we got the fuel to the side with the bike on the kickstand. It's trying. Got a little bit of fuel up in there. We gotta get some more gas, man. So that's what we're gonna try to do, get some more gas in this joint. If that don't work, then I'll see if it's another connection or wire, but I'm going with the fuel for now, so we're about to see how this turns out, man. Literally finally just made it back to the shop. We got the bike up in here, up off the stand. We went ahead and had to get us some gas, man. Y'all see it, I had to improvise and put it in a bottle because I didn't have a whole container for it, but we had to improvise. We got it now. We about to load up the gas tank. Hopefully we get this first start and we can go for a ride today. If not, we're about to do some more troubleshooting, but I'm hoping for the best. I got some faith. What about y'all? We're about to make it happen though, man. So stay tuned to see the results, man. So we put the gas in the tank, we got it in there. I did know for a fact this gas tank was on full. When Antonio do our paints, he empty out all the gas as he should. But I noticed for a fact this thing was super light. So I'm going with the fact that it's out of gas just from how light the gas tank was. But we gonna see. That's just my result and how I feel about it. Fuel pump on, got the new grips too. Things look way better. See? Got some fuel in that joint. Let's set it up. Let's try this again. We put the fuel. Let's check the spark. Let's go over everything else, then we're gonna try it again. Then we just may have to connect the battery jumper to make sure the battery stays juiced up, since we've been trying it a lot, but we're about to see right now what's going on. Since we tried to start the bike twice, we got the bike to start up in the end right when I was cutting it off. I'm gonna connect my truck with the wires to the battery, try to fire it up to make it Basically, since we tried to start it and it was cranking up and literally cut on and shut back off at the end, I'm gonna go ahead and connect my truck with the battery cables to give it a better voltage on the battery, to give it a few more extra points to start it up. So if that don't work, I'll take it as a serious problem, but I'm gonna try that out before I get to taking stuff apart, because it'd be the smallest, simplest stuff that make the biggest difference. So we gonna get it right, man, and bring it to y'all so we can get this slide in. So we slide and not hide it, man. So stay tuned, y'all, we working. Just pulled the truck up. Got that thing pulled up with the cables from there to the bike. Got it down there. See if we can get some extra juice. Gauge up all the way high now. Let's try it out. Well, I'm gonna go back over the whole bike. It's something small. It happens every single time. Thought I would have got it by now, but it's something in my face that's super small. I'm determined to be riding and sliding, so we're gonna keep figuring it out till we can get to it, man. Stay tuned. We got some bad news. We are not going for the first ride right now. We gotta work on this bike and figure out the problem. But on another note, we got some great news, man. Man, I know I gotta deliver the CVO and a blue and red 2017 Road King. I need to deliver both of those bikes to the winners. Now, since I drove to Texas to deliver the Texas Street Glide that we dropped off about a few months, 2-3 months ago, I was determined to make the drive to Dover, Ohio, but I found somebody to finally pick the bike up. I had to cancel with them that time because the week that they were supposed to come get it, I had to go do some family stuff and fly out, so it didn't work at all. I had to cancel, but we finally got somebody to grab our bike. So the bike should be getting picked up tomorrow for sure. Once that bike is picked up tomorrow, it'll take a few days to get to Dover, Ohio, but as soon as it hits there, I'm gonna fly out there, meet up with the winner, get that first ride in, get the response of him picking up the bike he won. It's gonna be a lot going on. I can't wait. As soon as we come back from Dover, Ohio, we headed to Houston, Texas. Those wheels will be done for show. I just talked to the guys. He said I should be picking those up either later this week or next week for show. So everything's working out perfectly. It just didn't work out in a timely manner that I expected from the jump, but everything is in coordination and happening the way it's supposed to. So like I said, we should be headed to Dover, Ohio tomorrow. And then after that, we head to Houston, Texas, man. So stay tuned, man. We working and we getting it in. We about to be sliding in Dover, Ohio. I cannot wait, man. It's been a long time coming, but it's time to get in and make it happen, man. So make sure y'all enter to win this joint. So this could be y'all too, man, getting that new bike. So stay tuned, man. We working.